Want to boost your strength and feel amazing? Imagine feeling stronger, more energetic, and more confident every single day. What if I told you that you could achieve all of this with just 1 minute of your time? Yes, you heard that right. Just 60 seconds a day can make a world of difference in your life. I'm going to share a simple habit that takes just 1 minute a day. This habit is so easy to incorporate into your daily routine that you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. Whether you're at home, at work, or even on the go, you can fit this into your schedule without any hassle. You might be surprised to learn that this simple practice can have a huge impact on your overall health and well-being. It's not just about building muscle, it's about enhancing your entire lifestyle. Imagine waking up every morning feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day with vigor and enthusiasm. It can increase your muscle strength, boost your energy levels, and even improve your love life. When you feel good about yourself, it shows in every aspect of your life. Your relationships improve, your productivity increases, and you find joy in the little things. This 1 minute habit is a game changer. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover the secret. We're about to dive into the details of this incredible habit. You'll learn how to do it, why it works, and how you can start seeing results almost immediately. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. This isn't about crazy workouts or expensive supplements. You don't need to spend hours in the gym or invest in costly products. All you need is a minute of your time and a bit of dedication. This habit is accessible to everyone, regardless of your fitness level or experience. It's about working smarter, not harder. By focusing on efficient and effective exercises, you can maximize your results without overexerting yourself. This approach ensures that you stay motivated and consistent, which is key to long-term success. Are you ready to unlock your full potential? Let's dive in. Get ready to transform your life with this 1 minute muscle miracle. Stay tuned as we guide you through each step and help you become the best version of yourself. Your journey to a stronger, healthier, and happier you starts now. The secret to unlocking your strength and vitality is simpler than you might think. Sunshine. That's right, just 1 minute of daily sun exposure can make a world of difference. You might be thinking, wait, isn't too much sun bad for you? And you're right, prolonged, unprotected sun exposure can be harmful. However, short bursts of midday sun without sunscreen can actually be incredibly beneficial. How does sunshine boost your strength? It's a question that might seem simple, but the answer is deeply rooted in science and the natural processes of our bodies. The answer lies in vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin. This essential nutrient is not just a supplement you can take in pill form, it's something your body can produce naturally when exposed to sunlight. When your skin is exposed to sunlight, it produces this essential vitamin. Specifically, ultraviolet B, UVB rays from the sun, trigger the synthesis of vitamin D in your skin. This process is a beautiful example of how our bodies are designed to harness natural resources for optimal health. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in muscle function. It helps regulate calcium and phosphate in the body, which are necessary for maintaining healthy bones and muscles. Without sufficient vitamin D, your muscles can become weak and your bones can become brittle. It helps your body absorb calcium, which is vital for strong bones and healthy muscle contractions. Calcium is not just important for bone density, it also plays a key role in muscle contraction, nerve function, and blood clotting. Vitamin D ensures that your body can absorb and utilize calcium effectively. Studies have shown that people with higher vitamin D levels tend to have greater muscle strength and reduced risk of falls. This is particularly important for older adults who are more susceptible to falls and fractures. By maintaining adequate vitamin D levels, they can improve their muscle function and overall stability. So, by simply soaking up a minute of sunshine each day, you're giving your body the building blocks it needs to get stronger. Whether it's a walk in the park, a morning jog, or just sitting by a sunny window, these small moments of sun exposure can have a big impact on your health. Remember, while it's important to protect your skin from excessive sun exposure, moderate sunlight is beneficial and necessary for your well-being. Always balance your sun exposure with skin protection. Use sunscreen, wear protective clothing, and avoid the harsh midday sun to minimize the risk of skin damage. By doing so, you can enjoy the benefits of sunlight while keeping your skin safe. Embrace the sunshine and let it empower you. It's a natural, free resource that can significantly enhance your physical strength and overall health. So next time you step outside, take a moment to appreciate the sun and all the benefits it brings to your life. Feeling tired all the time? Sunlight can help with that too. Exposure to sunlight helps regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, also known as your circadian rhythm. When you get enough sunlight during the day, your body produces melatonin, the hormone that helps you sleep better at night. Better sleep equals more energy throughout the day. You'll be amazed at the difference a little sunshine can make in your overall energy levels. For men, there's another exciting benefit to getting enough sunshine: increased testosterone levels. Testosterone is a key hormone for building muscle mass, boosting libido, and improving overall mood. Studies have shown a direct link between vitamin D levels and testosterone production. Men with higher vitamin D levels tend to have higher testosterone levels, leading to increased muscle mass, strength, and virility. But the benefits of sunshine aren't just physical, they're mental too. Sunlight has been shown to boost mood and increase libido in both men and women. Sunlight triggers the release of endorphins, which have mood-boosting and pain-relieving effects. Additionally, increased vitamin D levels have been linked to improved libido and sexual function. So not only will you feel stronger and more energized, but you'll also feel happier and more in the mood for love. Ready to unlock your full potential with the power of sunshine? Imagine starting your day with a gentle stretch as the morning sun kisses your skin, filling you with warmth and energy. Picture yourself jogging through a sunlit park, feeling the rays invigorate your body and mind. The simple act of basking in the sunlight with your arms raised can set a positive tone for your entire day. Sunshine is not just a source of light, it's a source of life and vitality. Remember, just 1 minute of midday sun exposure can make a world of difference in your strength, energy, and overall well-being. Standing outside at noon with the sun directly overhead allows you to absorb the maximum benefits of natural sunlight. Whether you're taking a short break from work or enjoying a leisurely walk, those precious moments in the sun can recharge your batteries. Close your eyes, face the sun, and feel the surge of energy coursing through your veins. It's nature's way of boosting your mood and enhancing your health. Start incorporating this simple habit into your daily routine and see the amazing results for yourself. Make it a point to step outside and soak up some sun every day. Add it to your daily habit list and check it off with pride. You'll soon notice a significant improvement in your energy levels, strength, and overall sense of well-being. The more you embrace this habit, the more you'll feel connected to the natural world around you. It's a small change that can lead to big transformations. Did you find this information helpful? If you're nodding in agreement or giving a thumbs up, you're already on the right path. Reflect on how these simple tips can make a positive impact on your life. Embrace the power of the sun and let it guide you towards a healthier, more vibrant lifestyle. Your body and mind will thank you for it. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. By doing so, you're not only helping yourself but also spreading valuable information to others. Let's create a community of health-conscious individuals who support and motivate each other. Your engagement helps us reach more people and make a bigger impact. Let's get healthier and stronger together. Join a community of like-minded individuals who are committed to improving their health and well-being. Together, we can achieve our goals and inspire others to do the same. Whether it's through group exercises in the park or sharing our progress online, let's support each other on this journey. Remember, every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a step towards a brighter future. Let's make it happen, together.